Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning Surah Al-Humaza. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ويل لكل همزة لمزة. Way مخرج of all for مخرج of all circle your lips فتح open jaws attach it. Yeah, this is harf lean, so make it soft and make it 2 counts long. Way lul for the circle your lips attach it. Lam, this is idgham without gunna, so you are not keeping the sound in your nose at all. Don't keep it in your nose. Lul, lulli for kasra give e sound. Kul for the circle your lips. As you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position because there is no dhamma here. If you will keep your lips circled, you will give dhamma on lam too. Don't do that. Dhamma is only on kaf. So as you will touch lam, your lips should be in a straight position. Kul. And then give tawassut. Yes, you're giving tawassut. And then for kasra, give e sound. Li. Kulli. Hu. For the circle lips, the sound is short. Ma. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Z, give this buzzing sound, this safi sound in za. For fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Til, this is idgham without gunna, so you are not keeping sound in your nose at all. No, don't do that. You are just saying with the makhraj. Til, humaza, til, lu. For the circle lips nicely. Maza. Ma short. The sound is short. Za. Give Safir here on za. And then because of this waqf, you are turning this ta into ha. Whenever you stop on this circle ta, you turn into ha. If you are giving waqf on this ta. Okay? So that will turn into ha and that will get rakhawa. And rakhawa is flow of sound. Za. As you will touch ha, your sound should flow nicely. Za. ويل لكل همزة لمزة. Hamza is very sharp of a top when jaws attach it. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. And tawassut is medium flow of sound. La. With fatha, the sound is short. The 2 counts long. Ja. For fatha, open your jaws, the sound is short. Ma. For fatha, open your jaws and the sound is short. Ain from your throat. For fatha, open jaws, the sound is short. Jama'a. All these 3 letters should have one length. One should not be long and short. No, all should be in one length. Jama'a. Ma. 2 counts long. Law. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa. For makhraj of waw circling your lips, fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Wa. Ad. Ain. It should be very clearly heard from your throat. And for fatha open jaws attach it. Dal will get shifa of shidda. Like there is no flow of sound at all. Ad. And the sound will cut off abruptly. Ad. Da. And then for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Da. For fatha open jaws attach it. Ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa because you are giving it sukun because of the waqf. So it will bring rakhawa here. الذي جمع مالا وعدده. Yeah. Ya is very soft. For fatha open jaws attach with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa and hams. And it should be from your throat. Sa. For fatha open jaws. Bu. For the circle lips, the sound is short. An. Hamza is very sharp. For fatha open jaws attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. And this gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. An. And then for fatha, the sound is short. Na. Ma, 2 counts long. La, for fatha open jaws. Who, 4 counts long. Mad munfasil jaiz. Ma lahu akhlada. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with kha. Kha will get sifa of raqawa and it is heavy. Lam is for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. The for fatha open jaws attached with ha. Ha will get sifa of raqawa because you are giving sukoon here because of the waqf. أخلد يحسب أن ماله أخلد كلا كاف is light for fatha upon jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasud kal and then la 2 counts long. La lam is short. Yum for fatha for dhamma circle ellipse attached with attached with this meme. Yes, this is uh, Yumbatan because this is noon sakina and after noon sakina there is ba letter, so you are giving iqlab, and iqlab is when you change the sound of noon into meme. So this has changed into meme, so you when you are attaching with meme you are giving gunna too because iqlab takes gunna too. So give gunna, keep your sound in your nose for a little longer. Yum, yum. You have circled your lips here on Dhamma, but as you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position. Yum, ba for fatha open jaws. Then for fatha open jaws attach with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short with fatha. Feel for kasra give e sound and then attach with lam. This is not anymore long because fa is now directly attached with lam. But you are giving the sound of kasra, that is e. Feel, give the wasat on lam. Hu, sorry. Hu, for dhamma circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ta is heavy. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ma, for fatha upon jaws attached with ha. This, okay, because of the bak, this ta, circle ta has changed into ha, letter ha, and then it will get rakhawa because you are giving sukoon on this ha because of the bak. Ma, and rakhawa is flow of sound. Ma. كلا لينبذن في الحطمة و sir for مخرج of circle your lips fatha open jaws the sound is short ما 4 counts long mad منفصل جائز ما Add Hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of qalqala and dal is light. Add ra. It is 2 counts long because you can see this standing fatha. It is just like ra. Yes, this is just like this. Ra. Ka for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Mal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Hu for dhamma circle ellipse and it should be ha should be from your throat. Hu ta is heavy for fatha open jaws. Ma because of this waqf you are changing this ta into ha. It is always the rule, and when ha will get sukoon, it will get rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. حطمة وما أدراك ما الحطمة Na 2 counts long. Uru is heavy for dhamma circle ellipse attached with lafz jalala. And lafz jalala will be heavy because there is dhamma before it. Whenever there is dhamma or fatha, it is always heavy. The Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always heavy. Allah, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long. Allah, Hil, for kasra give E sound attached with lam, lam will get sifa off. The wasat, Mu, two counts long, and for Dhamma circle ellipse, Qaf is heavy for Fatha open jaws, Da for Fatha open jaws attached with Ha. This, because of this waqf, you are changing this ta into Ha, and when the Ha will get sukoon, it will get sifa up, Rakhawa, and Rakhawa is flow of sound. So there should be a nice flow of sound here. Da. نار الله الموقدة Hamza for fatha open jaws. Hamza is very sharp for attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. La for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. T, two counts long. Tap, this ta is light, but this is heavy. So first you are making ta light and then ta heavy. So be very careful. Tap, tap, and when you are attaching with ta, it will get sif of shidda, no flow of sound whatsoever. And when you are giving ta fatha, and the sound will be short too. Tap, ta, tap, ta, li. For kasra, give e sound. U, ain from your throat. For dhamma, circle ellipse. The sound is short. Ain from your throat. For fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Lal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sif of tawassut, and tawassut is medium flow of sound. F, hamza is very sharp for fatha open jaws attached with fa. Fa will get sif of hums, and hums is flow of breaths. F, E for kasra give E sound. The sound is short and sharp. The. Because of this waqf, you are changing this ta into ha. This is always the rule. And because this ha will get sukoon because of the waqf, it will get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. التي تطلع على الأفئدة. In Hamza is very sharp. For kasra give E sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of gunna, and this gunna is akban, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Ha, two counts long. Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Lay, half lean, so make it soft and make it two counts long. Lay, him for kasra give E sound attached with meme. This is ikhfa shafawi. No, it is idgham shafawi. Idgham shafawi or idgham mutamasilain. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. عليهم for Dhamma circle ellipse attached with Hamza. Hamza will give an abrupt stop because it is a harf which has shidda. Very, very strong stop. Sa for Fatha open jaws. The sound is heavy and short. The. Because of this waqf, you are changing this ta into ha, and when ha will get sukoon because of the waqf, will get sifa of rakhawa. So the rakhawa means the flow of sound. The. This ha sound should flow nicely. إنها عليهم مؤصدة. Fi, give hams in fa, and then make it two counts long, and hams is flow of breath. Fi, ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ma is short. Both the length should be short and same. Ma, dim. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Dim. For the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Mad. For fatha upon jaws attached with dal. Dal gets sifa of shidda. There is no flow of sound. The sound will cut off abruptly. Madda. For fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Da. Because of this waqf, You are changing this ta into ha, and ha will get sukoon because of this waqf, and it will get sifa of rakhawa, and rakhawa is flow of sound. في عمد ممددة. Why this meme is there? Because if you are joining, you are not giving waqf, but you are joining with the other surah will start with Bismillah, and Bismillah has ba in the beginning. So tanween, after tanween, there is ba, so you will change the ruling of iqlab will be there. So you are changing the sound of noon into meme. So that this is why this meme is here. So we are giving buff here. So we are not using this meme. So we are just giving sukoon, and this is how we are saying. في عمد ممددة. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ويل لكل همزة لمزة الذي جمع مالا وعدده يحسب أن ماله أخلده كلا لينبذن في الحطمة وما أدراك ما الحطمة نار الله الموقدة التي تطلع على الأفئدة إنها عليهم مؤصدة في عمد ممددة. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.